So hey, how are you doing? Today in this video I'm going to teach you that how can you create a character certificate in MS Word. If you will see carefully in this video, then you will be able to create a very good character certificate design for your institution, whether it is for your school, for your private school, or tuition center, or anything else, whatever, wherever you want to use. So let's start. So how will you create your best character certificate design? Let's do it. So first of all, we will change the default page layout that is in portrait mode, and we will change into landscape mode, orientation and landscape, and go in margin and keep narrow page size. Yes, now we will give it design, and design we will give it a border design. Yes, you can see we have put here a border. Now we will insert a corner design in device. We have already downloaded a corner design, so if you will try to move it, it will not. So what would you have to do it? So right click on the image and go to wrap text, and in front of text. Now it will move. Yes, now what you will have to do, you can see a rough part here. Now we will crop here. We will crop from here, press Ctrl and drag upwards. It will crop. Yes, now leave it. Now it will crop. Yes, now okay. Now just turn from here in this direction and drag from the right corner and just set in the corner like this. Just drag on the line, on the border line. Just I have done it. So in this way you will put all the corner design one by one on the border line, just like this. So I have done already this. Now we took a word art. In this you will write a heading, that is character certificate. Just write down and set it in the center. Yes, like this. Now we will change the font. Select it and go to home page and change the font, whatever you want to change the font. So we have changed the font in Arial black. Now we have written down this. You can see, just copy and paste. I have written in my description box the format you can see here, and the text I have written in my description box. You can copy and paste that in your MS Word in character certificate. So here is the best way where you can design a character certificate. So how did you like this? Please comment and like and share, please.